Under the sink hot water tank. Make sure you clean everything out of the way. Give you plenty of room to work. Get you a few measurements from the side to the center. And then from the bottom up to the center of your bracket. And then you transfer your measurements onto the wall or the cabinet. I leave the hot water tank there. It's kind of something to rest on as you're getting the measurements. Other than that, it'll hurt your back and your knees. Line your bracket up in the center of your measurements. Fasten it down. Make sure you use the screws to come with the bracket. That way they're not so long and you puncture a water line or electric line in behind the cabinet. Bring your little mini tank back in. Hang it on the brackets. Don't do like me and forget to move the extension cord out of the way. For your cold line, you want a 3/8 by 3/8 helper T. One cold line goes up to your faucet and the other one goes over to the tank. Make sure you screw the cold line on the cold line side of the tank. And they're just regular faucet supply lines. Finger tight, then get a wrench, snug it up like a quarter turn. Okay, on the hot side, you just turn the valve off and leave it alone. We're not going to use that. Remove the supply line from the valve, but leave it attached to the faucet. Then you'll need a 3/8 by 3/8 coupling to adapt the two water lines together. You won't use the nut and ferrule part of it. You'll just use the center part. Connect the two supply lines. Not real tight. Remember, the supply line still has the rubber washer in it. The reason why we do this is because you need both ends to be the faucet ends of the supply line. And it's kind of hard on your back laying underneath this cabinet, so you may need a pillow or some type of little cushion. Okay, see how the coupling connects the two lines together? Then you'll take the other end and hook it to the hot side of the tank. Alright, so the hot side from the faucet runs down and connects to the hot side of the hot water tank. And you see how it's got the bigger end on the supply line? That would actually go to a faucet. Don't over tighten it, because the nipples that come out of this tank is plastic. Plug the extension cord into a 110 outlet, turn it on, give it about 30 minutes and it'll start heating up. Okay, if you see value in this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up.